Welcome to Data AI Express. Are you ready to unlock the ultimate power of data and AI? In this video, we dive deep into Databricks, the platform transforming how business harnesses the data for the real world impact. Whether you are a beginner, a pro, or just a Databricks curious person, this is the only gate you need to know complete guide about Databricks. I am excited to take you to this comprehensive journey of Databricks. Will reveal what makes this platform unique and give you everything you need to know master the Databricks for your next big data or AI project. Let's jump in. What is there for you guys today? What is the Databricks, the company and the platform? Their market position and competitors. What are those? What is this overall Databricks tool is about? The evolution of the Databricks and the Lakehouse architecture. Core components of the Databricks. Let's get started, guys. Databricks as a company has led by Ali Gose. So he's the founder of Databricks. He's a US Berkeley passed out. He had started this company around like 2013, and currently he is making 50% year-on-year growth rate. Last year it was 43 billion, and this year it is like 62 billion. Can you guys imagine at this era of every company removing employees, they are struggling, they are hard to make dollars, but he could able to achieve a massive growth, and he raised nearly 10 billion worth of funding. So though he started 2013, 2017 to 2014 is the drastic growth of Databricks. 2017 he partnered with Azure. Where in Azure, though they have multiple tools, but they are struggling to yield the compute power. So success of Databricks, they have found a secret sauce to harness the big data, how to compute this big data in an intelligent way and make meaningful insight out of it. That's the secret sauce. And also throughout the period, Databricks has been invested heavily. There are lot of funding sources have been invested, and it has emerged as the unified platform for this data and AI world. So that's the success story. Currently, there are 8,000 employees around the world working on building this company, and across the globe, 15,000 customers, more than 15,000 customers are using Databricks. So you can imagine how much the entire pool of Databricks is around the world. So as I told you, they are the leading in data and AI platform. They are the market leader. Let me see if I can able to bring up the Gartner story, because that's where people will see, hey, where are the each companies have been ranked through Gartner. Yeah, so this is the story. So if you look at this Gartner, you can able to see it is the latest 2015 edition. The leaders are Databricks. So they give leaders challenges. So Databricks is the leader in data science and machine learning platform. So though they have competitor like AWS, Google, and Snowflake also there, but they are the challengers section. And this is how Gartner is a very reputed analytics company which compare all the tools and technology. So Apache Spark is a greater advantage for Databricks when we compare with Snowflake, because though wherever we talk about Databricks, there is a Snowflake topic will come up, because Snowflake and Databricks, the way that Databricks evolve is the Spark engine that they have created and make it available as an open source platform. Microsoft Fabric is evolving. Google BigQuery is another competitor, and Palantir also are not doing well. So after this, all the competitor, if you look at machine learning and data science and various other advanced technology like generative AI integrated with the platform, Databricks is the number one leader. So what is the Databricks tool? Databricks is a unified open analytics platform So it's a truly a unified open analytics platform which is created for data and AI. Unified open analytics platform. So where you can build, deploy, and share all the enterprise scale data, analytics, and AI solutions at scale. Open data storage. What is open data storage? You can store the data wherever, be it Azure, AWS, or Google, wherever the data is stored, but you can seamlessly use this compute power and create a unified view for the Databricks to ingest you, right? So that's where Databricks secret sauce is. So it is not moving data anywhere. The data are residing in the native cloud storage, be it ADLS, be it S3, be it Azure, Google Store buckets. We just extract the structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data from the storage wherever it's residing. Using the unified data platform, we could able to make meaningful insights out of it. Currently the real-time streaming also used a lot in lot of industry use cases that seamlessly supported in the Databricks platform. So the use cases are data engineering use cases, be it ETL or ELT pipeline development, data ingestion, transformation, Delta Lake creation, auto scaling compute clusters. So these are the data engineering capabilities. Without moving your data anywhere, we just take care of bringing the data, massaging the data, and make meaningful insights out of it. Science and ML use cases, Databricks is the number one tool because you can create Python, R, Scala, whatever the languages that you want to create. It has seamless notebook capabilities. You can create ML flow, you can create a data science model, AML model, and then easily use the feature store of ML future management capabilities, model serving and deployment. I have never seen a unified platform tool which has all the capabilities of data science. And analytics and BI, you can create real-time streaming analytics, business intelligence, integration, interactive. So overall, a unified platform which covers the data engineering, data science, and analytics capability. So that's the tool is all about. So let me take you to this evolution of the lakehouses. How the lakehouses has been evolved. This is the key information that I will take you guys. First, we were using the SQL warehouses. Late 80s to 2000, we were doing these SQL warehouses where we have a data sources. We will connect external data, operational data will be pulled in the concept of ETL, extract, transform, load, talent, informatica, data stage, SSIS. So all these systems were connected and bringing the data. This was happening for more than 20-30 years that we were connecting the sources and we bring the data and load it in the data warehouse. We open it for consumption with various reports, dashboards, right? So next evolution is the big data era, where in 2010, where the entire industry is creating more huge data in the sizes. So all the data has been loaded to a data lake seamlessly with various insights. It will just load the data whenever the data is generated. It will just load it into the S3 or ADLS, blob storage, or Google data store. The key concept is like after the data gets loaded, we create, we extract the data through using ETL and create these warehouses. So that's the key difference. Like as you see, the huge data is loaded in data lake. We use ETL engine to extract the needful data for the structured and semi-structured data and then load it for various analytics need. Similarly, from the data lake, we use a huge power of machine learning models. It extracts the semi-structured, structured, and unstructured data and supportable for the data science AML use cases. right? So the data is loaded whenever it gets generated. It will just be in the ATLS layer. We will just extract the needful data whenever needed. But here the concept of confirming the data, the key of data warehouse to data lake is like the data is extracted to the cloud at the time of generation, and then you will make sure it will get extracted. The next concept is the Lakehouse architecture, where both the data has been loaded without moving the data into any other warehouses or any other storage medium. We will extract the metadata using the massive compute power, massive processing power. We'll use the data to various data science, machine learning, analytics need. So that's the entire picture of the Lakehouse. So lake and warehouse are now combined together without moving any data using any other ETL tools. The data is stored as it is. We'll just extract the information using massive compute power. So that's what the Databricks bring to the table, massive compute power without moving data to any other cloud medium. So that's their unique selling point. So the key differences or key thing to note is the ACID property, because the data is stored in a warehouse, because it's stored whenever we get deleted or inserted, it will just keep the data secure. So that concept we bring it to the Lakehouse, because the data lake, it was not possible. So in the Lakehouse architecture, we apply the ACID property of all the reads. So there is no concept of a dirty read concept. The Lakehouse is following the ACID property. So that's the success selling point for the Lakehouse architecture. So the Lakehouse architectures provide you a unified analytics and AI on all your data. It's a robust open architecture thanks to the Delta Lake capability. It's reliable, scalable, storage plus instant time travel and easy governance. So that's the game changer for everyone looking for innovative, faster, smarter, and more securable environment. So that's the Lakehouse architecture for you guys. So it's covered the entire thing, where data warehouse was so much rigid and expensive. Data lake is flexible but hard to govern. But Lakehouse, you have a modern architecture which combines best of both the worlds, scalable like a lake, reliable like a warehouse, and all open source Delta Lake. Now let me take you to the core components of the Databricks, which is Delta Lake. Delta Lake is the key addition to the data warehousing world. So it's a bedrock of reliable data storage and super fast queries, ACID transaction, and many more. Right? So it's an open source technology. It's evolving every day. So next one is the Unity catalog, where it's the another thrown in the head that it provides a unified governance of all the data, where in structure, semi-structure in the data lake world, its governance was a headache, and it solved all the problem by providing the metadata of all the data assets. It's provided unified governance for everything. So Databricks SQL is the data warehouse capability, where you use the serverless data warehouses for high performance BA and SQL analytics. Right? Whenever you want the query, it will just do like a Teradata or any other matured SQL tools. So that capability is another addition for all the SQL lovers to use Databricks. So data engineering, as you know, we don't need to create any separate tool. So let me take you to this Databricks so that you can able to understand. So now Databricks is providing a free edition for everybody to try it out. You just type Google a free Databricks and it will take you. It will not ask you any money, any credit card, any payment capabilities. It will take you and sign up you with just an email. You can able to get access to this. So as you see here, I just created a platform. Let me take you. I just created all the notebooks where you can type and try all the queries. Welcome to Data AI Express. Welcome you all. So that's why I have put it a small notebook to welcome you all. So as you see, have used a compute of 12 small. Let me go to the compute. As you see in the compute, there is a one clusters that we spin up. This is the compute power. It can be as bigger or as smaller as defined and various parameters. So that's the compute plan. You can able to see all the jobs, whatever is it ran now. You can easily share the notebooks that you created with others. So all the SQL queries what it had ran. As you see, a Genie. This is the latest edition, the Databricks, where you use LLM, generative AI capability, having a conversation with the data directly. I will cover a detailed session on 2025 editions here. Jobs and pipelines that you see, what all the jobs has run, all these AML capabilities of future store, model serving, everything for you. So data SQL, data science, data engineering. So all in one unified platform. So that's the Databricks for you guys. You can easily able to manage all the data assets without moving data outside of your native cloud, wherever it is. And bigger advantage, the Unity Catalog will give you a clear lineage where this data has been generated, where it's going, and etc. And you can easily manage access. You can create various, access needed for you guys, users, group, lot of things that you can do. The more important thing is the market space. Now in this era of data and AI, data is not only your asset, but also you can make money using the data. So that's the market space for you. If you have, weather data or medical data can be sellable. So market space will help you to sell them, get money for all the data. There are huge number of market people are selling their data because they have created their data assets. Now they are making money of their assets of sharing with everyone in the world. So that's the greatest shift. Earlier, people used to transform into a services application, then make money. Now you can sell the data as it is, like a data products itself can be sellable to anybody. I will create a separate video for a Genie space and various other features happening in the industry. So with that, we have reached the end of the part one. So far, we have seen what is Databricks, what is the company, why it matters, what is the Lakehouse architecture, how it's helping, what are the core components of the Databricks and look and feel of the Databricks. I will cover more details in the part two. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and support this channel. Thank you. We'll see you in the part two.